This is our 8-inch hydraulic feed woodchipper. So it's classified as 8 inches because the throat opening is 8 inches high. It's 12 inches across, and it's a dual roller, top and bottom feed rollers. So, and both are hydraulically driven. So as you're feeding the chipper, the top roller rises up and down to match the whatever diameter or timber you're feeding. And if you're feeding light stuff, you tighten these up so that the two rollers are clamped together tight. If it's bigger stuff you're feeding, you loosen these off, and that allows a larger log into the machine. Your controls are here, so you'll have a flow and return from your tractor, and you put it in constant pump. This valve will speed up or slow down the feed rollers. So you have from 0 up to 10. So 0 would be stopped, 10 would be full speed. When you're feeding the machine, you have your bar here in the feed position. If you want to reverse the timber, that's your reverse position, and all the way in then is your emergency stop. So you have to lift this handle, pull back the right handle to start the machine again. You have an additional emergency stop mounted up on top here. So there's your chute. It's open now for access to the flywheel. So this is classified as a disc chipper. There's 4 blades on the disc, and there's a counter blade. Your counter blade is down at the bottom, mounted at right angles to the disc. So everything that these discs shear off the counter blade, and that's your cutting mechanism. Any stringy stuff or twigs that get through the blades are forced out to the end and up against these 2 twig breakers. That just helps to avoid blockages in the chute. That's it in the working position there now. If your grease pints are ran out externally, so you don't have to take the covers off. If you have to do work to the machine, there's a top link here which will you can tighten that up, and that lifts your top roller up to full height to allow you access, for example, to change the blade. Your 2 pipes coming out here to your tractor, so flow and return, and obviously PTO. So you'd run this with 50 horsepower plus, but you'd want a decent lump of tractor to carry it, as it is a heavy chipper. And obviously the more horsepower you have, the faster you can run the material through it. So we have these in stock, ready to go.